Ever wondered how to incorporate a superfood into your daily diet easily and deliciously? It's no secret that maintaining a balanced diet is a cornerstone of good health. But what if I told you that there's a single versatile ingredient that can help you do just that? Enter quinoa, a humble grain with mighty nutritional powers. Packed with essential nutrients, quinoa is a complete protein, rich in fiber, and a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals. It's not just about what quinoa brings to the table nutritionally, though. Its subtle, nutty flavor and satisfying texture make it a fantastic addition to a variety of dishes. From breakfast bowls to hearty salads and stir-fries, quinoa can effortlessly take your meals from good to super. So, are you ready to elevate your daily meals with this nutritional powerhouse? Stay tuned as we dive into the world of quinoa and share 3 fantastic recipes that will make your day. Quinoa, a wonder grain, is not only versatile but also loaded with numerous health benefits. Now, let's dive into what makes quinoa such a superstar in the world of health and wellness. Originating from the Andean region of South America, quinoa has been a staple food for thousands of years. The Incas called it the mother grain, and for good reason. This superfood is rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and it's gluten-free, making it a perfect choice for those with dietary restrictions. Quinoa is one of the few plant foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids. These are the building blocks of protein, which our bodies can't produce on their own. It's also high in fiber, which aids digestion and can help you feel fuller for longer periods. Quinoa is a great source of iron, magnesium, and B vitamins too. But quinoa isn't just about being packed with nutrients, it's also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can use it as a base for salads, a filler in soups, or even as a healthier alternative to rice or pasta. Its mild, nutty flavor and fluffy texture make it a fantastic ingredient for a wide range of dishes. And let's not forget about its health benefits. Regular consumption of quinoa can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It's beneficial for heart health, aids in weight loss, and even helps maintain a healthy complexion. So how do you incorporate this wonder grain into your diet? Well, the possibilities are endless. You can have it for breakfast in a bowl with fruits and nuts, use it as a base for a hearty salad for lunch, or toss it into a stir-fry for dinner. Quinoa is a game changer in the world of health and wellness. Its rich nutritional profile and versatility make it a must-have in any health-conscious kitchen. Armed with this knowledge, you are now ready to cook up some healthy and delicious quinoa dishes. Start your day right with our quinoa breakfast bowl. Preparation time, 10 minutes. Cooking time, 15 minutes. Now let's dive into the recipe. This nutritious breakfast bowl is brimming with protein-packed quinoa, antioxidant-rich berries, and a dollop of creamy Greek yogurt. It's the perfect blend of textures and flavors to get you energized in the morning. Firstly, you'll need half a cup of uncooked quinoa, 1 cup of almond milk, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a dash of vanilla extract. For the toppings, get creative. We suggest a handful of fresh berries, a sprinkle of chia seeds, a dollop of Greek yogurt, and a drizzle of honey. Start by rinsing the quinoa under cold water to remove any natural bitterness. Then, in a small saucepan, combine the quinoa, almond milk, salt, honey, and vanilla extract. Bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer. Cover the saucepan and cook for around 15 minutes, or until the quinoa is tender and the liquid has been absorbed. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and to ensure even cooking. While the quinoa is cooking, you can prepare your toppings. Wash and slice your berries, set aside your chia seeds, and get your Greek yogurt and honey ready. When the quinoa is cooked, remove it from the heat and let it sit for a few minutes covered. This allows the quinoa to fluff up and absorb any remaining liquid. Now it's time to assemble your quinoa breakfast bowl. Spoon the cooked quinoa into a bowl, top it with your fresh berries, sprinkle over the chia seeds, add a dollop of Greek yogurt, and finish with a drizzle of honey. There you have it. A nutrient-packed quinoa breakfast bowl to kickstart your morning. This bowl is not just a feast for your taste buds, but it's also a powerhouse of nutrients to keep you fueled throughout the day. Now, go seize the day with your quinoa breakfast bowl. For a light and refreshing lunch, try our quinoa salad. Preparation time 15 minutes, cooking time 20 minutes. Now let's get started. First, gather the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water, a pinch of salt, 1 cucumber, 1 red bell pepper, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, half a cup of Kalamata olives, half a cup of feta cheese, and a handful of fresh mint leaves. The dressing for this salad is simple yet flavorful. All you need is 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 clove of garlic minced, and salt and pepper to taste. To begin, rinse the quinoa under cold water until the water runs clear. This is an essential step to remove any bitterness. Then, in a saucepan, bring the 2 cups of water to a boil. Stir in the quinoa and the pinch of salt. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the quinoa is tender and the water is absorbed. While the quinoa is cooking, you can prepare the vegetables. Dice the cucumber and the red bell pepper, halve the cherry tomatoes, and slice the olives. Crumble the feta cheese and finely chop the mint leaves. Once the quinoa is ready, fluff it with a fork and let it cool. Then, in a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, the prepared vegetables, the feta cheese, and the mint. For the dressing, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, and season it with salt and pepper. Pour this over the salad and toss everything together until it's well combined. Finally, let the salad sit for a few minutes to let the flavors meld together. You can serve it immediately or chill it in the refrigerator for later. Voila! Your quinoa salad is ready to be enjoyed. This salad is not just delicious and refreshing, but it also packs a nutritional punch. The quinoa provides a good amount of protein and fiber, while the vegetables add a variety of vitamins and minerals. Enjoy it as a light lunch or as a side dish. Happy cooking! End your day on a high note with our Quinoa Stir-fry. Preparation time 15 minutes, cooking time 20 minutes. To kick things off, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a handful of your favorite vegetables. Think bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. A couple of cloves of garlic minced and a splash of soy sauce. For a protein punch, add in some tofu or chicken, and for a hit of heat, a dash of red pepper flakes. Once everything is ready, let's dive into the cooking process. Start by heating up the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. When the oil is shimmering, it's time to add in the garlic. Let it sizzle for about 30 seconds, filling your kitchen with a mouth-watering aroma. Then, toss in your chosen veggies. Stir them around until they're coated in the garlic-infused oil and let them cook until they're tender crisp. Next up, it's time for the star of the show, the quinoa. Add your cooked quinoa to the skillet and give everything a thorough stir, ensuring the quinoa is well integrated with the veggies. Now, for the flavor enhancers. Drizzle over your soy sauce, sprinkle in the red pepper flakes, and give everything a good toss. This will coat your stir-fry in a savory, slightly spicy sauce that'll make your taste buds sing. If you're adding protein, now's the time. Toss in your tofu or chicken, pre-cooked of course, and stir until it's warmed through. And there you have it, a vibrant, nutrient-packed quinoa stir-fry that's as pleasing to the palate as it is to the eye. This dish is proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming, so why not give it a go? Whether you're winding down after a busy day or fueling up for the night ahead, this quinoa stir-fry is sure to hit the spot. And just like that, you have a delicious quinoa stir-fry to round off your day. What a culinary journey we've embarked on today. We've journeyed through the nutritious world of quinoa, a superfood that's not only versatile, but also packed with health benefits. From being a rich source of protein to being gluten-free, quinoa is truly a champion when it comes to balancing your diet. We've also explored 3 delectable recipes that can easily fit into your busy schedules. Starting the day with a hearty quinoa breakfast bowl, followed by a refreshing quinoa salad for lunch, and ending the day with a scrumptious quinoa stir-fry for dinner. Each of these dishes not only satiates your taste buds, but also ensures you're fueling your body with the right nutrients. And so we come to the end of our culinary expedition. Remember, it's all about balance. Incorporate quinoa into your diet and experience the health benefits firsthand. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring.